To fix the Electrolux oven error code F7-2025, start by understanding what the code means. The F7 code typically indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or the electronic control board. The 2025 part of the code may refer to a specific fault within the temperature sensing circuit. First, ensure you have turned off the oven and allowed it to cool down completely before attempting any repairs. This is crucial for your safety as well as the success of the repair. Next, check the temperature sensor for any signs of damage or blockage. The sensor is usually located inside the oven and may be accessible through a small hole or by removing a panel. If the sensor appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. If the sensor looks fine, the issue may lie with the wiring or connections to the electronic control board. Inspect the wires for any signs of damage or wear, and check that all connections are secure. In some cases, the error code may be caused by a faulty electronic control board. If you suspect this is the case, it may be necessary to replace the board. However, this should be done by a qualified technician as it involves complex electronics. Another potential cause of the error code is a software issue. Check the Electrolux website for any firmware updates for your specific oven model. If an update is available, follow the manufacturer's instructions to install it. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to consult a professional appliance repair technician. They will have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix the problem. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances, and never attempt a repair that makes you feel uncomfortable or unsure. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Electrolux oven error code F7-2025 and get your oven working again.